But sir, right now I need your help for this problem, sir. Why? What has gone wrong, sir? More than a year of effort, and Amritansh, it is so challenging to make him paint, and he does it well. Everything went on well, and everything. So we were writing a book on him. There are so many people who have written good things about his paintings and everything. And all of a sudden, the friend who was helping me, she has removed everybody else, and she's not talking to me. And I
Who is
don't know
that?
what went wrong, sir.
Who is that? Who is that?
Is a I sent you the picture, sir.
Yeah.
Korean friend of mine.
Right.
I have known her for 22 years, sir. She was my roommate when I was studying in Korea. So she's like a sister to me.
Okay.
She has stayed in my house in India. When I go, I meet her parents in Korea. So we know families, sir. But all of a sudden, sir, last Sunday, she said, I feel very hurt. You did not treat me very well when I was in India. And I was like, that's 20 years back. Till now, you're having that grudge. And she says that, yes, it has come up, and I do not want to talk with you.
Hold on. What was the grudge all about?
Sir, she says that the last time when she was in India, 20 years back, 20 years back, I was a little more busy with my fiance. And I did not give her much time.
Oh my God.
She had come with me, sir. She was my roommate, so we had traveled together. We were here for 15 days, and then we went back together. So she's like, you'd given more time to a fiance, and one day I cried in the bathroom for 1 hour. You didn't even notice it. Your brother noticed, and he gave me a wine glass, and your mother noticed, but you didn't even notice it. And I'm like, my brother and my mother were doing my work because they gave a wine glass and the food. I did not. Because we're all family. If somebody else takes care of you, you leave it, no, sir?
Yeah.
And but I don't know, all of us. And then I said, for 20 years you had that problem and you did not share with me, and you were so nice to me. And sir, the best of gifts I used to take. She was my best friend, sir. Best friend. She knows everything about me. Well, when I go to Korea, I open my bag and I ask her whatever you want from the bag. And she would choose whatever she wants. Sir, I have presented her gold also. A gold ring, because she's very fond of gold. So I saved money and I told her, when you get married, your engagement ring will be given by me. You just get married. Because when I was working, sir, so I had money. So that's when I used to tell her that, when you get married, your best friend's going to give you your ring, even if it's a diamond ring. So the friendship was that good, sir. And I don't know, sir, what has gone wrong? Is it a black magic on me, on her? Or is it Amritansh who's not supposed to become famous? I don't know, sir, but I'm very lost. More than a year of work, sir.
Think of her. She's got lots of
Yes,
dark
sir.
energy coming to her. It being active for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 months. She became active and going and digging all the old things and making things difficult for her. Are you still talking?
Okay.
Are you still talking terms with her?
No, sir. Sir, she has exited all the group we were together in. Our school group, India group.
Oh my God.
She's exited all the group. So I sent her a message yesterday. I said, because of me, don't exit the groups. They're good people. And she said, don't worry, I'll be in touch with all the good people, but I don't want you in my life. So it's sir, actually, I don't know, sir, because maybe the black magic has come on me that she's become like that, or on Amrita.
No, nothing to do with you and Hamida, to do with her.
So is she going to help me back, sir, or what do I do, sir? Because it's 1 year
She
of
wants
work.
to do it for you a lot, but something is wrong. Something is blocking her.
Should I read Divine Fire for her?
No. Think of her now.
No,
Think of
sir?
her. Think of her.
Okay.
Think of her.
Thinking, sir.
Okay, done.
So she's not married. She doesn't have children. She doesn't. So she thinks of Amritansh as her own. And she when she was helping me, and and she's the one, sir. I never thought he can do exhibition. For me, it was normal paintings. She's the one who told me that your child is not able to speak. Make him big, make him famous. That if something goes wrong with him,
Okay.
if your family members do anything
No,
wrong
his,
with
his
him,
paintings are good. Hmm?
sir, she said that the fans, people who would like his paintings, those people will fight for Amritansh. That where is our artist? Why 2 months there is no painting? Is he living? Is he this for later stages? When I die, when she also dies, she said when you know more to protect him, his fan club will protect him. So let's make a fan club. So it was her idea, sir. Nothing was mine. And she has also worked so hard for it, sir. So the best person in Korea who makes a book was making it for Amritansh. The best of people. She convinced the best of people by just saying that Indian friend with an autistic child, we have to help. And then they saw Amritansh's art and they loved it, sir. There are people who are monks and they're saying that he has Buddha's learnings in him. And then they would say that, if you see these paintings, you can see the mandalas in it. I can't see anything, sir. But there are people who say that, his paintings can be used for meditation. He has those lines. So I was like, okay, if somebody is appreciating, and if he becomes famous, it is good for me, because it's protection. Sir, if something happens to you, there'll be lakhs of people who will be asking, where is Siva, sir? Right, sir? Because you're famous. So not that famous, but little famous my son is. So even if I'm not there, anything
No.
goes wrong,
No,
they'll
even though he's autistic, they come with gifts. His gift is painting. So let him free to do it, and that time you guys do the marketing. Now, your friend is okay, do divine fire for her. Okay?
okay, sir. So but sir, no problem with Amritansh and me, sir.
No.
Sir, no problem with Deepika, because the day we fought is the day Deepika came to know about the exhibition, sir.
Deepika, she's still around.
Nothing. She's still around and she's become a headache, sir.
Oh my
Headache.
God, Deepika. Oh my God.
But it's okay, sir. That's her way.
How's the father and the mother?
So father's no more, sir.
Oh, father, no more. Why?
Sir, he died last year, sir, in March.
Okay.
I don't know, sir, whether it was COVID, because they say it was not COVID, but his lungs had collapsed.
COVID.
Yeah, so because initial, sir, before our India lockdown, before the first wave.
Yeah, it was already happening at that time, yeah.
Yes, sir. Because he died last year only, sir. So that's what, it's very difficult for their family. I was helping her with something, and then she said, why are you so busy? Why can't you talk to me? So I told her, I'm doing this work right now. I don't have time to talk here and there, because sir, because it was an international.
No, she's
review.
fine, she's fine.
She's fine, sir. Okay, sir. So I'll read it. But sir, do you see that the exhibition would happen, sir?
Good energy now?
How many percent? Good energy, sir.
Where's the action going to happen?
Sir?
Where's the action going to happen?
Seoul, sir. Korea.
Oh, good.
Sir, I wanted that, sir, because Korea is 20 years ahead of India. So I wanted that if the first thing happens there, then in India when I do it, I have learned more than what Indians know.
Good.
So I told my friend that I speak Korean and my son has come to me. So I should use whatever skills I have. I can speak. I have friends there. So let me help him by doing it in Korea.
Okay, good.
So
Go
my
ahead.
friends
Go
and
on, do
my
what?
friends.
Do it. Go and do it. Fine.
Sir, can I go alone and do it, sir, without her? Do you see energy in that?
No, don't do that.
Without her, I should not?
No, you should not.
With other friends, sir?
Yes.
And sir, how long should I wait for her, sir? Because everything is ready right now, sir.
Start doing divine fire for her.
And how long should I wait, sir? Because then I activate my plan B, sir. Plan B is different set of friends.
1, 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Wait for 2 weeks.
2 weeks I'll wait, and then I will go for
But
the
do divine
other.
fire and all
Thank
for
you.
her. Do all that part.
Yes, sir, I'll do that. Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Do divine
Thank you so
fire
much.
for the do divine fire for the exhibition. Okay.
Yes, I'll do that, sir. Thank
Okay,
you so much.
fine,
Thank you so much.
fine.